Hi everyone. So through these videos, I'm going to take us through the lessons that I would have taught if I would have the opportunity to be with you. These are definitely not exciting videos. I'm trying to keep them kind of to the point, not too long, and not confusing. So my kids are making fun of me that I'm pretty boring, so I apologize for that. But hopefully this is helpful. And remember, in all of these, if you have any questions throughout the week, you have to reach out to me so that I can help you. I don't want you to struggle. Okay. So the first lesson is 88, and we're working on the surface area of a right solid. Now, just as a reminder, a right solid is something like this. I pulled a block out. Let me get it for you. There you go. It has right angles, and there's two bases, one at the top and one at the bottom. And then there's a height, right? And then they're all right angles, so they're not slanted. So when we're talking about right solids, this is the kind of figure that I want you to kind of consider, okay? I'm working in Gabby's workbench out here in the garage because it might be the quietest place in our house. Okay, so when we're talking about the formula for the surface area of a right solid, here's what we need to recall it is, okay? So it's 2 times the area of the base. So as I said in my picture, this little base here and this little base there, 2 times the area of the base, plus the lateral surface area. And the lateral surface area is the surface area that's all around the outside, okay? So we have talked about this before, but what's different now is that we're gonna learn a new formula for the lateral surface area. So the lateral surface area, remember that's the amount around the outside, and here's how you find it. The lateral surface area is equal to the perimeter of the base times the height. Perimeter of the base times the height. Okay, so you're to take your little base here, find the perimeter, that's the perimeter, and then we're going to multiply it times the height. A lot of these questions you have to read in your question because they'll give you the height within the context of the question. They won't have that in your picture. Okay, so that's kind of the first bit of information. Now I'm going to turn the page here so that you can see our practice. Our practice is this example right now, okay? The figure shown on the left, well, it's really at the bottom, is the base of a right solid 40 meters tall. So this picture right here is 40 meters tall, and this is the area, or this is the base. What is the lateral surface area of the right solid? So they're just wanting to know what's the lateral surface area. They're not asking for the total surface area. So we recall, and it reminds us up here, that the lateral area is equal to the perimeter times the height. So we look at our picture and we remind ourselves, how do we find the perimeter of this? Well, the perimeter is the amount outside. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3. So down here in my work, oh, where did it go? Here we go. Down here in my work, perimeter of the base, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 times the height. Now, within the context of the question, it said that it was 40 meters tall. So that's our height. So then we go ahead and we add what's in our parentheses. We get 18 times 40. I went ahead over here and solved it for you to multiply, and it's 720 meters for the lateral surface area, the amount of area around that picture.